Right, next job done is the pole. So I drilled the hole through. My battery shelf is solid now. Got my hole through the top. Got my flanges arrived today. The only problem with the flanges was it had another flange, an inner flange, so I've had to cut that out just so I've got an outer one. So I just got my jigsaw, put the blade on a 45-degree angle, and this has circles on, so I just try to follow one of the circles. I mean, I'll file all them burred edges off so it's nice and smooth, but works an absolute treat. There we go. So I've got 3 of them. One for there, one for the bottom of that, and one for the top of that one. I don't need one for the bottom of this one. Yeah, it's fine. So, happy days, cracking on. Well, hello guys. Yeah, I've been busy today. As you can see, I've done the floor plates. Speakers in. My switchboards arrived, which it arrived earlier on today, and I didn't even bother opening the things up because I'd have started on them and not finished this. So I've now completed the tow hitch part. So as we know, inside here we've got access to the battery inside there. So basically, once I'm pulled up in position, I can wind my hitch up. I've got it on the axle stand at the moment, so I can take this jockey wheel off. But basically, I'll be able to wind the jockey wheel up, undo on this, pull the pin, and that's that all off. And then close my hatch, and I can then make an extended table and cover the tow hitch. There we go. Happy days. That took all day, but yeah, job well done, I think. So it does look like a rocket now, but what I was fearful of is if I just put like a little cover over the tow hitch, then people would walk around and bang the shins off it. So I needed to make basically at the same height, so people are forced to walk around it then. Yeah, so it's made a nice cover that and a bit more functionality. So it's happy days. Tomorrow I think the studios come as well. So there's another box there, so might get the stereo fitted tomorrow and the switches, and that's it. So as I say, good job done today. It's just ready to be covered. That you can see how I'm strategically not showing you the rest of the vehicle or the trailer, for the right reasons, because the back end is finished. It looks absolutely fantastic. Yeah, so not far until the reveal. Ciao for now. Morning guys. So I just need to make a holder for the stereo, so I can secure it on. Basically going to go mount it onto the... Morning guys. Another day. Electrics. Love fitting stereos and stuff, so it's quite an exciting day. How sad. Anyway, I've got to make a bracket for the stereo to mount under here before I can do the cutout. So I've got some again plated stainless steel here, what Bri give us. It's going to come in handy twice now. One to make that battery cover in there, and now it's going to make this stereo. So just got to basically put the stereo on, score it, then I'll put a groove in with the angle grinder, just so I can bend it to shape, and make a bracket so it can slide in, and I'll be able to mount it to the top. So I'll crack on with that. Ciao for now. So a bracket made. Yeah, it looks manufactured. Happy days, top job. So the stereo just hopefully, yep, fits nicely in there, nice and snug. So I've got my drill holes in here now, and then I can screw that to the top. I left a tab on the back as well, tab, just to stop the studio sliding too far forward. So that'll be spot on. I can just push that down a bit more. Magic. So there we go, get this fitted, ciao for now. Yeah, fitted the brackets. So that's a said cup holder. It will be when it's secured in. And then the studio itself. So good stuff. So I'll get these front board put on, studio in, then I can start doing some wiring up. Ciao for now. Right guys, so I've fitted the nerve centre. So on there I've got battery, got USBs there, got a standard 12 volt socket there. I'm just turning the brightness up. Obligatory cup hold, and just pop down there. Happy days. Stereo. So yeah, just got to screw that on, cover it, and then we'll be happy days. So top job by Anth Innovations. Yeah, see if I've got enough foam and material and get that covered. Ciao for now. All the sneak previews, sis. Right sis, hope you can see us. Right, so my next thing was my projector. So I needed it to gain a bit of height. So basically it could have just been there, but then when people are here they'll keep blocking the screen. Plus with a bit of height it'll level it out more with the screen itself. So I thought of using this extendable pole so it would extend up, but it's too flimsy, so it wouldn't work. So I used a TV bracket, what you would put on the wall. So I had a spare one. So you basically just lift it up. Oop, take the whole thing off there. And then I can adjust this all ways, tilt it forwards, backwards and side to side to get the screen exactly level. So that is absolutely top banana. Hope you like it. Ciao for now. It's alright, it's getting left as is. I'm not going through the hassle. I'll live with it. It looks alright. So, yeah. Had I have thought of it before, but I'm not going to go through all the hassle and expensive new floor plates just to make that a little bit wider. Ciao for now.